If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x equals 2x square minus 5x plus 7. See, alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, alpha and beta. Now, see, if we'll try to find the zeros, see, we will not be able to get by splitting the middle term alpha and beta values. 2x square minus 5x plus 7, 2 into 7, 14, because we need minus 5, 7 and 2, minus 7 plus 2, but the product is minus 7 into 2 is minus 14, but you need plus 14. See, I'll show you further. Minus 7x plus 2x plus 7, x if you will take common 2x minus 7, plus 1 if you will take common 2x plus 7. See, here is 2x minus 7, here it is 2x plus 7. So it's not possible in this way. So what I'll do is, first I'll find sum of the zeros and then product of the zeros, and with the help of that I'll find out, like, so here see, ax square plus bx plus c. So if I'll compare the values, a is 2, b is minus 5, c is 7. So now I'll find sum of the zeros. So here I'll find sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta. The formula is minus b by a. So minus of minus 5 by 2, which is 5 by 2. Now I'll calculate product of the zeros. Product of the zeros, alpha into beta, which is c by a. C is 7, a is 2. Now alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, I got the values. Now I should find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha, see, 2 alpha plus 3 beta, 2 alpha plus 3 beta, and 3 alpha plus 2 beta. So what I'll do is, for this I'll find sum of the zeros and I'll find product. I'll calculate sum and product. Then I'll use quadratic polynomial formula, I'll get it. Alpha plus beta, sum is here 2 alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 alpha plus 2 beta. Here 2 alpha plus 3 alpha, which is 5 alpha plus 5 beta. So 5 if we'll take common, alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta already I have, so that is 5 by 2. So the answer is 25 by 2. So sum is 25 by 2. Now product, I need to calculate product of the zeros. So here 2 alpha plus 3 beta into 3 alpha plus 2 beta. So 2 alpha I'll take, I'll multiply for both. 2 alpha into 3 alpha is 6 alpha square. 2 alpha into 2 beta is 4 alpha beta. Plus 3 alpha into 3 beta is 9 alpha beta. 2 beta into 3 beta is 6 beta square. So 6 alpha square, 6 beta square, plus 4 plus 9, which is like 13 alpha beta. So 6 times alpha square plus beta square plus 13 alpha beta. Now see here, alpha square plus beta square. So a plus b whole square if you'll observe, which is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2 alpha beta. If we'll bring this here, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is alpha square plus beta square. So here 6 times alpha square plus beta square I'll write as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 13 alpha beta. So if you'll observe here, if you'll multiply 6 times alpha plus beta whole square minus 6 into 2 12, 12 times alpha beta plus 13 alpha beta. So 6 times alpha plus beta whole square plus minus 12 plus 13 is alpha beta. Now if I'll substitute the values here, see I'll substitute these values. Alpha plus beta is 5 by 2 and alpha into beta is 7 by 2. 6 into here 5 by 2 whole square plus alpha into beta is 7 by 2. So here alpha beta value is 7 by 2. So if you will calculate now 6 times 5 square is 25 by 4 plus 7 by 2. So here if you will cancel this one, 2 times 3 and 2 times 2. So it is 3 times 25 is 75 by 2 plus 7 by 2. 75 plus 7 is 82 by 2. So which is nothing but 41. So sum is here 25 by 2 and product is 41. So alpha into beta, it is about new zeros where new are 2 alpha 3 beta plus 3 alpha 2 beta. It is new sum. So now I'll use the quadratic polynomial, that is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So k times x square minus sum is 25 by 2 plus product is 41. So if I'll take LCM is 2. So here I need to multiply 2. So it will be like 2x square minus 25x plus 82. So the polynomial is 2x square minus 25x plus 82 at k equals 2. Therefore the polynomial is, you can write like 2x square minus 25x plus 82.